many things going on now. So let's go inside and check. What did you see now?
Look there.
Super good.
Hi, we are the Lifetime Travel Mates. For the next few weeks, we are going to take you on a journey around Sri Lanka. Starting in Colombo, the capital of the country, we are going to explore our way down to the south coast. And we will slowly move to the mountains in the central highlands.
Overcharging a little bit.
We will be traveling by train, bus, tuk-tuk, jeep, bike and boat. On these adventures, we are going to experience the culture and history of Sri Lanka, the food, the spectacular beaches on the coast, the beautiful nature in the mountains, the popular tourist spots,
We need to find a hostel.
and some hidden gems.
Backpacker's life.
Previously on Lifetime Travel Mates. In Mirisa, the popular beach town, we enjoyed chilling out on the beach and watching one of the most beautiful sunsets during our travel. Romantic? And we sailed off the Mirisa coast and saw dolphins and the largest alive creature on earth, the blue whales. But you're so real! We also rented a motorbike and following our guest house host's advice, we went to Polena Beach. The sea waves are very calm here. It's almost like a swimming pool. And there we had a chance to swim with turtles. That will be our last time on the beach for a while because we were heading north leaving the coast. After taking a few local buses, we finally arrived at Udawalawe.
We started our day with some homemade Sri Lankan breakfast in our accommodation. Ceylon tea, sweet coconut stuffed crepes, and delicious coconut roti bread with sini sambal, also known as caramelized onion relish.
This caramelized onion is super good. It has, caramelized, a bit sweet. Has a bit of chili powder, which makes it a bit spicy. And then this coconut roti. Was it coconut?
Yeah.
This coconut roti makes it very, very tasty. Good combination. And then we have these pancakes, rolls, filled with honey and coconut.
And add a little bit vanilla.
Oh, why is it so yellow?
It's add the turmeric powder.
Oh, okay. Turmeric powder
Yeah.
to make the pancake. Very healthy, I heard. So nice.
We came to a local marketplace near our hotel. We saw many local people heading there. So there will be many things going on now. So let's go inside and check. This market was huge, and it seemed like all the people in town gathered to pick some fresh vegetables and fruits in the market. It was fun to go around and to check the variety of things from food ingredients to household items, but most of all, we really loved the vibe, the energy coming from the interaction with people. That's one of the reasons we make sure to go to local markets every time we visit a new town.
We had a hopper as evening snack and some local beverages and went back to our accommodation to have dinner there. This time we had a generous amount of traditional Sri Lankan rice and curry, perfect to end the day.
Don't forget to check the Lifetime Travel Mates online merchandise store. Here you will find t-shirts, sweatshirts, accessories, and other cool stuff. All the designs are created by ourselves, inspired by our travel stories. These help supporting our channel, and all we make from the sales goes straight back to the channel. Next morning, we arranged the jeep car to go to the Udawalawe National Park. It was very quiet, still dark, and a bit chilly. And we were nervous, but at the same time, very excited to see wild animals in the national park. So now it's 6 a.m. and the park just opened the gate. So the jeep cars are entering like one by one, but we already see like there are many jeep cars, so it's going to be a lot of people there.
The price, yeah. So the drivers go there to that house, the office, to buy the tickets. Our driver is there, hopefully.
Honestly, we didn't expect this much crowd in the national park, and this was still low season. We couldn't imagine how congested it would be during high season.
With the ticket, we just gave it, and now we're gonna enter the national park. This is our driver.
Udawalawe National Park was created to provide a sanctuary for wild animals displaced by the construction of the Udawalawe Reservoir on the Wallawe River. This park is an important habitat for water birds and Sri Lankan elephants. There are approximately 600 elephants, and it is easy to spot them in the wild. There are also chances of spotting water buffaloes, wild boars, crocodiles, peacocks, and also spotted deer. After being impressed by seeing so many beautiful animals, we finally got to see the biggest of them all. We didn't expect to see so many wild elephants. At that time, we thought it was really worthy to wake up so early to see them in their natural habitat. What did you see now?
Look there. A couple of elephants. At least a couple.
Okay, at that point, I felt we were getting too close and I got a bit scared. It was our first time seeing wild elephants this close and we couldn't believe it was really happening. We were worried that they would be stressed by our presence, but they looked very calm and it's probably because they are used to see people around. We were with them for a while and feel very happy to be able to meet them and observe them this close. No matter how long we stayed there, we were speechless.
You have no words. He's looking at us.
And we continue our journey searching for more wild animals.
Let's go! No, actually, I don't drive. We had a short break at the Udawalawe River. If you do afternoon safari, you might have higher chances to see elephants venture out to the river for a bath and play with the water. But since we took the morning safari, we didn't see any of them. Still, it was a beautiful moment to sit down, relax, and start wrapping the day.
It was good. We didn't see many kinds of animals. We saw some elephants, some different kinds of birds. What else? Peacocks. But good, very pleasant.
Leopards. Sometimes the road got very muddy and bumpy, but it was an incredible experience to be here and observe the wild animals in their habitats. One of the things we wanted to do in our world trip was a safari tour, and we were so happy and satisfied with what we had experienced. And when we thought this was the end, we encountered wild buffaloes in the middle of the road on the way back to the guest house.
Voila, they are full of mud. Full of mud?
We were so happy that our stop at Udawalawe National Park went well. We had really good weather, good food, and best of all, we loved the safari experience. After some days on the south coast, it felt nice to be in these very different surroundings. And that was just the beginning of our days in the central province of Sri Lanka.
On the next episode of A Journey Exploring Sri Lanka, we will continue our adventure and head north to the highlands. There awaits the city of 𝗀𝗀, a paradise for nature lovers where we are going to do some epic hikes, admire the tea plantations, and witness some picturesque train rides, and even some more risky activities. Thanks for watching till the end of this episode. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and share this video with your friends. If you want to support our channel and be part of our content creation, you can become one of our patrons or join our YouTube channel membership. Members can choose among different tiers to support us. Each tier will unlock benefits and give you access to behind the scenes, early access to featured videos, unreleased footage, and many more exclusive contents and perks. The music you hear on this series is provided by Epidemic Sound. It is a super helpful service for content creators who need copyright-free music. Epidemic Sound is a home for artists with excellent music quality and a big variety of genres and styles. Check the link on the description to get 30 days of free copyright music.